On 4 days ago's date in 1978, the Great Blizzard of 1978 occurs. It was a blizzard which first struck the Midwest United States and later traveled to Canada, southern Canada, and it would last from January 24th, 1978 to January 29th, 1978, and on this day in 1977, the Great Lakes Blizzard of 1977 occurs. It was a it was a blizzard which struck the Great Lakes region of the Midwest and all the way up to Canada as well, and it would last from January 28th, 1977 to February 1st, 1977, and on this day in 19 on yesterday's date in 1922, the Knickerbocker storm occurs. It was a winter blizzard that struck New England and Pennsylvania regions, as well as in many other regions in that area, as well as Washington, D.C., and lasted from January 27th, 1922 to January 29th, 1922. And that's it for today. Have a great night, everyone. Bye!